In a world where details matter, the Tecno Camon 30 Pro 5G brings the ultimate clarity and precision to your fingertips. Let's dive into the future of smartphone technology. Today, we're exploring a game-changer in smartphone cameras and performance, the Tecno Camon 30 Pro 5G. At the heart of this marvel is the Sony IMX890-50MP camera with optical image stabilization, crafted to master the art of night photography. Its super-large f/1.88 aperture and 2M large fusion pixel technology transform low-light scenes into vibrant, detailed images. Forget about blurry photos. The OIS ensures every night shot is sharp, no matter the conditions. But that's not all. By day, every image bursts with detail, thanks to the 50MP high-definition lens. Whether it's capturing the subtle textures of urban life or the grandeur of nature, the Camon 30 Pro 5G sees it all. Selfies redefine high definition with the 50MP front camera. Equipped with eye-tracking autofocus, the Camon captures your charm in crystal-clear detail, making every selfie a masterpiece. This phone isn't just smart, it's insightful. With universal tone technology, developed in cooperation with the School of Design at the University of Leeds, every portrait is a testament to true beauty, enhancing every skin tone naturally. Enhancing your online presence is easy with Social App Turbo. Optimized for video calls, it ensures you always look your best, with instant background changes and video call face beauty features. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset unleashes the ultimate potential for gaming and imaging, supported by a massive 512GB storage and 24GB RAM for relentless performance. And gamers, get ready for an epic experience. The advanced cooling system and 144Hz AMOLED display ensure every session is smooth and immersive. Rain or shine, the wet finger touchscreen operation means your phone performs perfectly in any conditions. Worried about battery life? The 5,000 mAh battery supports 70W Ultra Charge, powering up your phone in just about 50 minutes. So you're ready to go in the time it takes to have your coffee. The Tecno Camon 30 Pro 5G isn't just a step forward, it's a leap into the future of mobile technology. From its industry-leading camera and innovative design to its powerhouse performance specs, this phone is ready to change the game. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.